Okay, students, I'm continuing. It's just kind of hard because I gotta move all this stuff around to get to everything so you can see everything. And so here we go. Alright, so now one thing we have is, if you come along here and look closely, I'm going to kind of pick it up a little bit. And there we go. Now I got the view I want. We have a styloid process, which is this thing right here. See that? And this right here is the mastoid process, this one that comes like that. So we have styloid, we have mastoid, and take a look here. There is the external acoustic meatus, which is located in that hole right there. Okay. With the mandible, we might as well do this while we're at it. We have several things. We have the mandibular notch. Okay. All right. And then back this way, we have the mandibular condyle. Okay. And then over here, we have the coronoid process. This part that comes along here is the mandibular ramus. And then we have the mandibular angle, which comes along like that. Okay. So, there we go. Now, furthermore, let's go and look inside. So, oh yeah. And there we can see some other parts if we look in. Okay. So, just want to, we have the 3 holes, and these are not at all the greatest, but you can kind of count them. You can see up here, and right there, and right there, and right over there. So this one here is supposed to be the foramen ovale, and then we're supposed to have the foramen rotundum, foramen spinosum, and the foramen lacerum. Okay. Now another thing to look for is over here. See this little pit here? This is called the Sella Turcica. Okay. And now we come up here, and this whole bone here is the sphenoid bone. And this part here on top is the lesser wing of the sphenoid. Okay. And the greater wing of the sphenoid is down below. And you can really see it when over on the side, coming across there. You can see coming out this little thing that actually looks like a wing there, and that's the greater wing of the sphenoid. Okay. So, some other things, we have the Foramen Magnum, which is the big hole there in the middle. Okay. So, there we go. This is good for this one. Okay. Oh yeah, one other one to get, I forgot, it was the Carotid Canal, which we see down here. Okay, the Carotid Canal, and we also see a little hole here, which is the internal acoustic meatus, a little hole right in there.